SuperVIG Vacuum Glass, simplicity and innovation. Upgrade your home's aesthetics with SuperVIG Vacuum Glass. We don't just make glass, we create art for your home. Simplicity in details, special materials, and no exhaust port design make for sleek lines and stylish spaces. Quality and efficiency. Innovative processes ensure high-quality production at affordable prices. Easy installation, durable. No exhaust port design simplifies transport and installation, reducing damage risk. Durable with low failure rates for peace of mind. Tech-backed comfort. Over 40 patents ensure consistency, creating a quiet, comfortable home. Choose SuperVIG for a cozier, quieter home.